Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a battery on a Dell 3100 Chromebook. First, what we need to do is loosen the screws fastening down the bottom plate of the Chromebook. Don't worry if you hear any clicks or snaps, that is normal. Now what you want to do is lift up on the bottom case of the Chromebook. Again, don't worry if you hear any clicks or snaps, that's normal. And if it doesn't completely release, make sure all your screws are loose. Set this aside, make sure none of the screws fall out. Now what you want to do, this is your battery right here. Remove the small adhesive strip, it should have a small white arrow on it. Remove the 3 screws fastening down the battery. Then remove the small black ribbon cable, battery connector. Lift the battery out of place and remove it. Set that to the side. Get your new battery. Fasten down that small adhesive strip with the small white arrow on it. Fasten down the battery with your 3 black screws. Then grab the small black ribbon cable and connect it back into the battery port. Now grab your bottom frame again. Don't worry if you hear any clicks or snaps, that is normal. Once you have all the screws connected, if you see any openings on the side of the Chromebook, snap them into place. Turn the Chromebook over. Open it. Power it on. And make sure it still works. After that, close it. You have it fixed. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. We'll be right back.